Hey guys, this is Thomas from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to add a streak shortcut on a Snapchat app. Would you like to add a streak shortcut on Snapchat app to send snaps to your streaks more easily? Just follow these steps and you'll learn how to do it. Open Snapchat app on your phone and make sure to log into your Snapchat account. Take a new snap. Tap on Send to. Click on the silver bar at the top and click on Create Shortcut button. Tap on Choose Emoji at the top of your screen and choose any emoji from your keyboard for your shortcut. Now select your friends which you would like to add to your streak shortcut. After that, tap on Create Shortcut button and your streak shortcut will be added. That's it for this video. I hope this guide was helpful and you're able to add a streak shortcut on Snapchat app. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.